late afternoon, Dreaming Hotel. You just had to quarrel, sent you away. I was looking for you. How you gone? Call you on the phone, another dimension where you never returned. Oh, you know what I mean. I went looking for you. How you gone? Down by the ocean, it was so dismal. Women all standing with shock on their faces. Sad description. Oh, I was looking for you. Everyone was singing. Girl is washed up, hurried down the beach, and everyone is so sad.